First recorded in 2012, Cheerleader by Omi was remixed in 2014 and the song subsequently became a massive hit worldwide. The song was recently certified 5 times platinum in the UK. Omi is here to give us the backstory behind that song in this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
All that's left to do is just for me to pop the question. Oh, I think that
you know, the song was basically inspired by, you know, a relationship, obviously. You know what I mean? It's talking about a person who's been there from day one, you know, a person who is your support system, the whole works. And I'm sure a lot of people can attest to that, you know?
she grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, yeah.
The song was produced by Clifton Specialist Dylan, big ups to the man himself, and recorded at Ufa Music Studio. In 2013, when I got signed to Ultra, it was then remixed by Felix Yen, and the rest is history. When I heard the song on the radio for the first time, like any artist, there is a little bit of excitement, you know what I mean? Because now you realize that it's no longer just you and your friends hearing your music. No, it's the world, you know. So it's that was the feeling. Quite exciting.
Not really, 'cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
When the remix took off globally, you know, what was the feeling back then? It took me back to that first time when I heard it on the radio. It was kind of a similar feeling because now I would have seen growth. Now I would have seen that my talent, my music, my exposure was moving to another level, you know, and I had to prepare myself mentally for that. But I don't write hit songs, I write songs. You know, I do music from my heart and I put myself into it. It's either enough or not enough, basically, you know. So what I'm trying to say is that the fans, the people are who have the power. They are the ones who make it what it is.
All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone, and they say
there's so many other directions to go from this because now people are listening. Okay, you wanted them to listen all along. This is your big break. Now what? You know, it's kind of that realization. And it's good that I had the support of, you know, I had a great team. You know, I have the support of my beautiful fans, the Omi Army, fan of my fans forever. You know, I love you guys. And I appreciate you so much, man.
So the Bob Marley movie will be released in theaters very, very soon. But if you did produce the movie, who would you like to see play the role of Bob? Well, members of the public gave their 2 cents in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
Well, that one is a bit hard, but I can guess a few person what we know can fit that role. It could be, it can be his son, of course. Probably his one of his son can play that role, or somebody who fitting in the acting roles.
It would definitely have to be one of his sons, so I would choose either Damian Marley or Kimani Marley to play the part.
It would have to be one of his sons, and I think it would be Kimani Marley, because we know him as an actor from before. You know, we've seen him in Shatter, and he's a very good actor, and he's a son of Bob Marley, and he's also into music, so it would definitely have to be him for me.
I think Chronix is a great one, you know. Chronix, yeah, I'll use Chronix.
Well, Tyrus Riley, because he's similar to Bob Marley, and I like the way he act, he move just like my band.
I don't have the answer for that. I don't have the answer for that one there. I mean, I think it's whoever is fit to play Bob Marley, you know? So that is really it.
I'll choose his son, Damian, because he more portray an image of his father, talk like him also, so I will choose Damian.
Who would you like to see play Bob? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree Show, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and of course on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Alright, my side, so we're there in the town, but it's now time to close out this week's episode of Pree the Show. Linstead, big up on yourself. Until next time, you don't know I'm your host, Naldo Addy. Peace.